Fact of the day.
Fact of the day.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Fact of the Day with me, Mark Lotsu. Cancer hunting robots block blood supply. There's a tongue twister. So this is a joint effort between scientists from Arizona State University and China's National Center for Nanoscience and Technology. So nanobots have successfully been used for the first time to make sure that drugs to treat tumours go to exactly where the tumour is and they treat it. So if you have minor bleeding, you can be given blood clotting drugs, and this helps to stop the minor bleeding. Well, these have been carried by nanobots made up of origami folded DNA to cause blood clots in blood vessels which supply tumour cells, therefore depriving the tumour cells of oxygen and nutrients. So this has caused the tumours to shrink and reduce the ability of the cancer to spread to new sites in the body. So the blood clotting agent is an enzyme called thrombin. So once the nanobots arrive at the tumour site, they release the thrombin into the heart of the tumour, and it causes the blood in the blood vessels supplying the tumour to clot. How can they be so specific? How do they know where to go? How do they know what to deliver? Well, the thrombin is given to specific cells by the nanobots, which have a specific protein on the surface of those cells called nucleolin. And guess which cells have loads and loads of nucleolin on their surface? Tumour cells. So the nanobots just pass by all the other healthy cells in the body, but once they get to the tumour cells, boom, they're releasing all the thrombin into the heart of those tumours, stopping the blood from being able to flow properly to the tumours, cutting off their supply. Within 24 hours of treatment, the cancer cells showed necrosis, they were damaged, they were starting to die. 2 days after the treatment, researchers reported they saw evidence of advanced thrombosis, blood clotting, and in some cases after 3 days there was blood clotting in all blood vessels supplying the tumour cells. Now all this research was done in mice which are given human breast cancer cells, or Obama miniature pigs. Then they found that in some instances in mice the life expectancy doubled and the tumours were killed off entirely. There were no tumours left in the body. How amazing is that? Now this could be extremely dangerous because you don't want the blood to clot in other places in your body, especially not the brain, because that's what a stroke is, a blood clot in the brain. But because the nanobots are so specific to only target tumour cells, there was no evidence of any clots anywhere else in the body. So what's the advantage of this over chemotherapy? Well, chemotherapy is like a nuclear bomb. It's like napalm across your entire body, killing cells indiscriminately. It just kills the cancer cells a bit quicker because they reproduce faster. Whereas in nanobots, that's a surgical strike straight to the cancer cells, only causing the death of those cancer cells, so you don't get all of the nasty side effects you do with chemotherapy attacking and destroying your other healthy cells. I know this isn't in humans and it may have different effects in humans and may not be effective in humans, but that is the next step, and this is a huge step forwards towards the production of full-on cancer-killing robots in human beings. That's what we want. So the question is, at some point in the future, would you volunteer for experimental cancer-killing nanobot technology? That is, cancer-hunting nanobots block blood supply. Thanks for tuning in. Love you, bye, love you, bye, love you, bye.